Welcome to the new Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross plug-in hybrid. So this is one of only a few plug-in hybrid options available in the small SUV market segment at the moment. Different to just a regular hybrid, plug-in means you can, plug it in. It also means you can drive this under electric power alone, in this case for a range of about 55 kilometers. Here we're testing the flagship Exceed variant, which comes with all the bells and whistles Mitsubishi offers. It looks pretty much the same as the regular Eclipse Cross, only this has two filler caps, one on each side at the back. Underneath, you'll find a 70 kilowatt electric motor powering the rear axle exclusively, while the front end is powered by both a 2.4 petrol and a 60 kilowatt electric motor. In that sense, it is all-wheel drive, but not in a conventional way. Going with the Exceed gets you a set of 18-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in eco-focused 225/55 Bridgestone tyres. Inside it is very typical Mitsubishi, coated with a layer of luxury. Everything is very user-friendly, and most controls and functions are positioned with practicality in mind. Up on the dash is a fairly basic and small 8-inch touchscreen. It does fall behind many rivals in terms of size and graphics, but again, it is quite user-friendly. Passenger space is actually very good for this class, and even the center console is thick. The front seats are big and comfy too. In the back you get excellent legroom for this class, and it's great to see separate seat heaters and a charging socket, but unfortunately there are no climate vents. The rear seat does recline though, which is a bonus. Boot volume measures up okay for this segment, but with an electric motor under the floor, there is slightly less than the regular petrol all-wheel drive model. This offers 369 litres, while the Exceed all-wheel drive petrol offers 405 litres. There is some underfloor storage, which is a handy spot for the charging cables. As for the power, it comes from a 2.4 petrol engine paired with two electric motors, as mentioned. Mitsubishi doesn't provide combined output figures, but with 94 kilowatts from the petrol, and 60 kilowatts and 70 kilowatts front and rear, the combination seems quite impressive. Out on the road though, performance is okay, keeping in mind this weighs in at 1900 kilograms. Fuel economy is obviously excellent. This is what it goes like.